Welcome back to Grow My Savings. Let's talk about something deeper than just numbers, like building wealth that matches your values. Because here's the truth. Wealth isn't just about how much money you make. It's about how that money supports the life you actually want. In this episode, we'll explore how to align your financial goals with your personal values. So every dollar you earn, save, and invest moves you closer to a life that feels meaningful, not just successful. For many people, wealth simply means more money, but true wealth is freedom, purpose, and peace of mind. It's being able to say, I'm spending on what matters most. My money reflects who I am. I'm not chasing, I'm choosing. Building wealth that matches your values starts with defining what you care about most. That could be family, travel, education, community, or security. Once you know that, your financial goals stop being random. They become intentional. Step 1. Identify what truly matters to you. Write down your top 3 life values, like freedom, growth, stability, or giving back. Then ask yourself, does my spending and saving reflect these values? If not, it's time to realign. Step 2. Create goals that support those values. If family is your top value, your goals might include saving for your kids' education or creating more time with loved ones by working less. If freedom is your value, investing for passive income might matter more than luxury purchases. Step 3. Invest consciously. Choose investments that align with your beliefs, like sustainable funds, ethical companies, or businesses that create real value. You can grow wealth and do good at the same time. When your money aligns with your values, you don't feel guilty spending or anxious saving, because every dollar has a purpose. When your finances reflect your values, you stop comparing your journey to others. You don't feel pressured to buy what doesn't fit your priorities. You don't chase the next big thing just because it's trending. Instead, you build quietly and confidently on your terms. This emotional alignment brings calm, confidence, and motivation. Because now, your financial plan isn't just about money, it's about meaning. That's the kind of wealth that lasts a lifetime. Thanks for tuning in to Grow My Savings. Remember, real wealth isn't about more money. It's about money that moves you toward your values and your vision. If this episode inspired you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone building a more intentional financial future.